channel. And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification so you are notified every time I post a new video. In today's video, I am going to show you all how I DIY my herringbone headboard using paint sticks. I've always wanted to redo my headboard. I built the old one when I was still pregnant with my son, so that was about what, 3 years ago? So it is time for a new one. So if you like this DIY or you're interested in making one, stay tuned. I bought 5 of these wooden dowels. Each wooden dowel was $1.75. I bought this dowel for the trim of my headboard simply because I wanted to be consistent with the first DIY I did. And if you did not see that DIY, we can link it below. All right, so the next item I bought for this DIY to create that herringbone design is wooden paint sticks. They come 3 in a pack for $1. And for this DIY, I used about 40 packs. If you want to do a herringbone design, you can use any type of wood, but this is just my preferred type. To put this project together, I used construction adhesive. It was about $5 for this pack. Y'all know I am the hot glue queen, so you can use hot glue on this project. I just chose not to. You can also use wood glue, but it's whatever adhesive you prefer. So in this project, I am using construction. So the next item that I bought from Home Depot, it is not needed. It's all whoa. So the next item I have is wood filler. It's not needed for this project, but I just prefer it simply because my dowels are only 3 feet long. My board is 5 feet long. I need to cut an extra piece to add onto this. And what wood filler is going to do, it's going to coat the seam to make it look seamless. So the last item you'll need to complete this project is plywood. So the plywood that I use is a 1/4 inch plywood. They come in 4x8 panels. I cut my panel down to 5 feet. Now my headboard is going to be 5 feet by 4 feet. Okay, so now to cutting the wood. One tip to cutting the wood is keeping the wood as even as possible. So you want all of your paint sticks to be the same length. So once it's cut to the desired length, you can stack it directly on top of your stack of wood, even it up, and then put it onto your saw. It is time to start trimming it out. The only reason why I didn't put the full pattern down first is because all the excess pieces that I'm going to be cutting off, I'm going to insert on the sides. And after I cut those, I am going to adhere it down with the construction adhesive. So on the back part of the paint sticks, they have a ruler. So what I'm doing now with 60 grit sandpaper is sanding off all of the lines and numbers. Now I have to do that on all of the other ones, sand everything down, and then put a clear coat on it. So I'll be back once it's all sanded. What's up, guys? So I finally have my headboard upstairs. I've decided not to put the trim on it simply because I like the more raw look of it. I did lose a lot of footage of how to put it up on the wall and how I cut it down. So originally my board was 4 foot by 5 feet, and then it was massive on my wall, so I cut off about a foot. So now my board is about 5 feet by 3 feet, 2.5 feet. So that's one change I did make. Another change I made, like I said before, I did not decide to use the trim. If I were to do this project, you know, differently another time, I would have probably added trim, which I still can. I would have maybe used a different adhesive. That is what I want to let you all know. Like, depending on the wood, the type of wood that you're using, you may have to try different adhesives. I had to switch to a different adhesive. I think I ended up using either Loctite. If I am not correct, I will list it below. But I had to switch the adhesive. I almost scrapped the whole project because I was so frustrated about it not sticking to the board as well as I would like it to. I did use some polyurethane, like satin finish. I only used one layer, one application of it. That was enough for me, but it's all up to what you guys want it to look like. I do want to thank you all for coming back and watching my videos. I greatly appreciate it. I just want to let you all know that I have some things brewing. I have things coming up. Next week's video is probably going to be my favorite video by far. Like, not even lying, not over exaggerating. So stay tuned for that. And then I also coming out with some merch. It won't look exactly like this, but I will update you guys on that next week as well. So I want to thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, comment. Let me know what you liked about this video, what you didn't like about this video. I'm open to it all. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next week. Bye.